Hi, I'm John Holden. Welcome to Earth. Our next stop, Italy, and the Corbetta area near Milan. You know, Italy is known for its historic architecture, churches like this one, and quaint villages. But Italians are also known for their love for high performance, power, and speed in the automotive industry. And today, it's all about sustainable mobility. Let's take a look. Italy may be synonymous with high performance and power in the automotive industry, but globally, there's need for significant change in our mobility when it comes to the environment.
As a society, we're in the midst of a climate change crisis with a dramatic increase in carbon emissions and greenhouse gases that we've seen over the last 100 years, contributing to an overall warming of the planet, which some predict, if left unabated, could lead to a 3 to 4 degree increase in average global temperatures, the result of which will have catastrophic impact on the economy and society as a whole. The automotive industry is far from the biggest contributor to this crisis, but nonetheless it accounts for about 10% of emissions annually.
However, the automotive sector today is facing a transition period of historic importance, from electrification to autonomous driving technology.
Frankly, there's never been a more exciting time to be in the automotive industry. We're in the midst of this greatest disruption our industry's seen in well over 100 years. And with the advent of new technologies and autonomous technologies, connectivity, and new business models with the ride sharing and car sharing concepts, we really do have the potential to change the world.
One of the leading suppliers of this innovative technology to the automotive industry can be found here in Corbetta, Italy, at a company called Morelli.
Marelli is one of the largest suppliers in the automotive industry, in the components, and we supply all the most important brands. I like to say that the majority of the cars has a Marelli technology and innovation.
With 62,000 employees and 170 facilities and R&D centers globally, Morelli is one of the largest independent automotive suppliers in the world, supplying all leading car makers in Europe, North and South America, and Asia with the latest technology and mobility solutions, thanks to its race to road innovations and a long history in the top-tier automotive industry.
You cannot have a future if you don't recognize from where you arrive. And there are products that we are proud to say 1892. So there are really a lot of emotion that I feel when I enter here. It's emotion because I feel the responsibility to continue the challenge that these guys previous me they have done in much tougher period. So I'm proud and I'm sure that the contribution of Marelli in the new challenges will be great. Our company has a long tradition in motorsport. We supply electrical motor in Formula E. The motorsport is the toughest proving ground for innovation and advanced technology. So that is the logical step that we see. We want to perform high performance car. In the same time, we want to have the democracy of car where everybody can have in an affordable way the high technology.
The electronics that are being produced now, that's the big shift within the industry, and Morelli has positioned themselves to support that part of the market. We call them power modules, or the unit that actually helps us bring energy in one form and convert it into another. That is core to what Morelli is producing in this facility.
And that requires a high-tech clean room where workers need to suit up from head to toe in order to prevent contamination.
In the clean room behind me, what's being made are the chips that are required to support the unit that basically transfers energy from one energy to another. And the reason it's so important that it's a clean room is because any particulate that could get on this surface could have a detrimental effect. So it's a very controlled environment, not only from the manufacturing of the product, but also from the quality checks that we go through at the end. It's not just one part, it's how the energy within that vehicle is managed and how it's supporting mobility.
In addition to alternative powertrain, Morelli is also addressing the areas of the automobile that are changing rapidly with its advancements in connected and autonomous technology.
Today we are working to develop the autonomous driving to allow the cars to be autonomous without any support from the driver. The car can drive, stop, start, recognize the obstacles, decide to turn on left or right depending the traffic or the potential accident, and also to contribute to safe life. This means a strong contribution in sustainability because everything is optimized. In the same time, is a strong contribution also on safety. So in all of this, I think that there are a lot of activities that a company like Marelli can do, and proud to be part of these new challenges.
Mobility is now undergoing a true paradigm shift in performance, and Morelli has the resources to play a lead role in this change.
How we will be moving vehicles down the road is going to change completely. How people will move within those vehicles will also change.
To change the future of the mobility. And that is our mission.
We're seeing the change. OEMs are now being forced to design really exciting and great new vehicles. They're doing that because it enables in terms of performance, acceleration, handling. Some would argue is far better than a traditional gasoline-powered engine. And when you see that OEMs designing and launching much more exciting vehicles, again, that's going to be one of the big things that will help drive that tipping point, moving from today to tomorrow, where battery electric will be a big portion of the market.
The key to mobile sustainability lies in continuous innovation, so we can all travel this good earth to see all the sights it has to offer, while still investing in technology like this to power the vehicle of tomorrow. I'm John Holden. Thanks for watching.